So ngayon, meron ka ng Microsoft Office LTSC 2024 genuine at activated. So guys, sa video ito ay i-discuss ko kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng free at genuine Office LTSC 2024. So just be patient and i-follow lang ang mga steps na gagawin natin. So para sa ating unang step, so punta ka lang sa Google and then i-search mo yung deployment tool na website. So yung unang option, i-click mo siya and then i-download mo yung Office Deployment Tool. So yan, mada-download siya dito. And then next naman, punta ka lang sa C drive ng iyong laptop or PC. And then from here, magki-create ka ng new folder. And then i-name mo lang siya as Office 2024. So after mo makreate yung folder, balik ka sa downloads. And then right click mo yung deployment tool, run as administrator. Accept mo itong agreement na to and then click continue. And then ipo-point mo siya dun sa folder na na-create mo na Office 2024 which is under C drive. So yan, successfully extracted na yung file. And then go back ka dun sa C drive, open mo yung Office 2024 folder. I-delete mo tong mga unnecessary file na to. So ititira mo lang dyan yung Enterprise 2021 and then punta ka dito sa Microsoft article na to na ilalagay ko yung link sa description ng video na to. Then scroll down mo lang hanggang makarating ka dun sa example configuration XML file. And then i-copy mo ito. And then balik ka dun sa Office 2024 folder. So yung natirang XML file, right click mo and then open with as notepad. Go-open siya as notepad and then i-delete mo yung lahat ng laman yan. And then i-paste mo ngayon yung na-copy mo dun sa Microsoft article. So ito na yung mangyayari dyan. So since hindi mo naman kailangan yung Visio at saka MS Project, so i-delete na natin siya dun sa XML configuration. So yan. So i-delete mo lang kung ano yung nakita mo dito sa video na to. And then yan lang yung matitira. And then go back ka dun sa Microsoft article. Scroll down mo lang until makita mo yung use KMS to activate. So ito yan. So under nung Office LTSC 2024 commercial preview, meron dyan product key. So copy mo lang yung product key. Go back ka dun sa notepad and then dito sa may mga hashtag na yan, highlight mo yan and then i-paste mo yung product key. And then go to file, click save as. And then i-name mo lang siya as configuration.xml. Then save it. Then dun sa Office 2024 na folder, ang ititira na lang natin ay yung configuration.xml na inedit natin earlier. And then open tayo ng command prompt, right click and then run as administrator. Then type natin dyan cd or change directory. Go back tayo dun sa path ng folder natin which is on C drive. So ikakopy lang natin yung path and then paste natin dito sa command prompt. And then go back tayo dun sa Microsoft article. Scroll down until makita natin yung install Office LTSC script. So ito yung script. So copy mo lang yung script. Go back sa command prompt and then paste it. And then hit enter. And then from here, mag-execute na yung pag-install ng ating Microsoft 2024 LTSC version. So installation will run for about 10 to 15 minutes. So once tapos na, click mo lang yung done. And then try to open an Office application like Word. Go to account and then on some cases, na-activate siya automatically. So like this one, activated na siya. Pero kung ganito yung lumabas dun sa inyong Office LTSC Professional 2024, click nyo lang yung change product key. Then go back ka dun sa Microsoft article. May makikita ka dyan na option na use Mac to activate. And then copy mo tong product key na to, and then paste mo dito sa enter product key, and then activate Office. Click on it. Make sure you have internet connection, and then close this Office. Open again the Office application, let's say Word application, and then may prompt na ganito. So gagamit siya ng internet para ma-activate. So i-click start mo lang or next, and that's it. So you have the activated LTSC Professional 2024 version. Close mo lang siya, go back to account, and you will see na meron ka ng Microsoft Office LTSC Professional 2024 genuine and activated. And then you can enjoy using this Office Professional 2024 LTSC version. I hope na nakatulong itong video na ito sa inyo, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe na rin, and share this video para makatulong din sa iba. Salamat sa panonood, and see you on my next video.